विसोपरांत तुमकां परतून एकदा येवकार. सरमणे साळगांवच्या श्री शर्वाणी युनायटेड स्पोर्ट्स आनी कल्चरल क्लबान साळगांवान अखिल गोंय पंचायत आनी पालिका पावंड्या वयली हेवी बॉल क्रिकेट सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली. हो 3 दिसांच्या टोर्नामेंटाची आयतारा सांगाता जाली. ह्या टोर्नामेंटाच्या समारोप सुवाळ्याक थळावे आमदार, पंचायत वांगडी आनी हेर मानेस्त हजर आशिल्ले. आयटेक्स गोवा खातीर साळगांवच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
बढ़िया गेम, 27 रन निकले इस ओवर से. अंतिम भाई इस रिवर्स शॉट और स्ट्रेट के हाथों में आउट. 7 छक्के मारे मैच में. भाई क्या वो मुकाबला था. पैर पर टकराती, इसका लेग पर निकलती है, एक रन निकलता दार बनेंगे. बढ़िया शॉट सीधा हाथों में और आउट. मातम के भी और बिल्कुल खुशियों के भी स्वीप किया. यहाँ पर पहले से एक रन निकलता था. अब 6 रनों की आवश्यकता. क्या एमएस धोनी की तरह रुपेश गवत छक्का मारकर मैच को समाप्त करना पसंद करेंगे?
We have amongst, when you said we are going to create some legends, we already have a legend amongst us. Mr. Sahil Duri, he's playing for Goa Ranji cricket team and he's amongst us today. So congratulations Sahil for taking part in this tournament. It will definitely give a boost to the players, the junior level player who are yet to see the national level cricket, but they could see you play here today. I congratulate Sahil for taking part in this tournament. Also congratulations to the Sharwani boys for organizing this kind of a tournament. I have not seen for long. When I was young, I used to come here and I played for a tournament, but after that nothing has happened in Saligaon with regard to cricket tournament. This is the first tournament I believe after such a long time, and all credit goes to Sharwani boys. The day tournament has started and when I inaugurated the tournament, there were several teams playing here who were participating. So from both the teams who were participating, they expressed their willingness to organize another tournament. So just a matter of 2 days, there are 2 tournaments happening actually. Both the teams who were playing that day, the second match which was played between those teams, both the teams have organized a tournament and today is the finals. So within the span of 2 days, they have their own tournaments, which I am part of and have to be there also. But I congratulate the team for organizing this kind of a tournament. It's a well-organized tournament, a well-disciplined tournament. Only thing we couldn't provide the jerseys because it happened at the last moment.